I wanted to use this Monday to bring you a bit of encouragement. I know that there are a lot of things today that we're unsure about, and a lot of people are struggling, but I wanted to remind you that we can still focus on the things that we want to do. And if there's ever been a time that you've thought to yourself, I need a side hustle, I need to start writing that book, I need to clean out the closet, I need to really sit and get a connection with a higher power, whatever it is that you've been thinking about for a long time of doing, this is the time to do it. Push all that other worry and uncertainty out of your head, because you know what? That's going to be here for a while. So actually, we can be certain of uncertainty. But I really want you guys to use your energy to focus on things that you can control, and take this time and use it to your benefit. I don't think we'll see a time like this again. I can't remember a time in history where everything is kind of slowed to the point that it's actually allowed us to be mindful and think a little bit. If we're not careful, we can be filled with a bunch of worry and concern and anxiety. And I'm just going to take that as a standard and use this time to think about the other things that I really need to think about, and the things that I need to do to move ahead. I'm going to continue to encourage you to go ahead and put that forward. Focus on the things that you can control, which are your actions. And have a great week. Good luck, and I'll see you guys again next week.